Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a demotion letter. What is a demotion letter? A demotion letter is a correspondence that requests a change in your workplace role. You may wish to reduce your title or position or to change departments. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a demotion letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date of the letter. You can use month, date, and year format. After that, write the information about the recipient. You should write the full name here. And under it, write their home address. When you write the address, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, you may open the letter with salutation like Dear Mr., Ms., or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write the reason why you are writing this letter. You must state clearly that the recipient will be demoted to a lower job position. And you must mention the job position. Write that this is based on the company policies. And mention the date when the demotion begins. You can write the month, date, and year. After that, explain to the recipient why he or she will be demoted. You should explain clearly here. For example, the recipient may have lower performance. And tell also how you have been discussing about this with authorities and decided that the recipient is suited for the new role. You have to make sure that the first paragraph cover all the message about this demotion news. State it clearly so there's no misunderstanding here. In the second paragraph, since the recipient has lower position, it means they have lower income too. Of course, you must mention it here. Write the amount of money that the recipient will get every month. And the last paragraph, write a warning for this. You should warn the recipient if within the next 2 months of demotion, he or she has to make improvements. And write the consequences if they failed to do their job properly, for example as dismissal or termination. And finally, close the letter with regards. Add your signature and your full name. Don't forget to write your occupation in the company. And under it, give a space for the recipient to give a signature as an acknowledgement of receipt. Write the recipient name and date when he or she gives the signature. So, that's how you write a demotion letter step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.